Recently, I went down the road from my house, and this beautiful scene is about a half-mile away. And so I painted in plein air several hours and made very good progress and very happy with what was going on. When that layer of paint dried the next day, I came in and began to refine some of these areas a little bit and add more color, and that was fun. Now, my objective was to get this, the sky, the mountains, the barn, and these areas. I wanted to get all of those with the color intensity and hue and everything that I wanted, because I am now going to paint these trees on top. See where that tree line is? That's where those trees are going to originate. So I am really excited. I'm about to get started on that, and so I will get back to you in a little while, probably more than a little while. Bye now. So now, as you see that tree line, I have had the best paint session this evening, and so you'll see that I've put the skeletons of the trees along here. I've added some more, a little bit more color into some of the grasses, and when I wake up in the morning, I can hardly wait to put the new leaves of these trees onto the painting. So sometimes I really hate to have to go to sleep, but you'll see it, you know, you're painting with fresh eyes, excuse me, the next morning when you wake up. So it's just as well, but I've had a wonderful time tonight. Bye now. It is a fine day in the studio. I've felt like I finished Meadow Edge last night. So I've come in this morning. I think you can see some light coming in on the left. It's a beautiful day. And so we have gone from this scene, and actually I was even further away. This is a little bit of a telephoto effect there. We have gone from this to here. And you can see the many shades of green. I've been studying the Impressionists. I'm going to be in France soon, and I've been reading up on the lives of the Impressionists. And I noticed in this painting that I began to render the light on the trees somewhat like Pissarro might have done. So that was, you know, we're always influenced by those people around us and what we're reading and what we're learning. And so this is one of my favorite colors of green. It's Bartley, I believe, by the Holbein company. I love it for putting in some real zingers. And so I'm a happy girl this morning, and this is, I think, going to go to a new home today. I'll know soon, and I hope you have a lovely day of painting. Take care. Bye now.